Okay. Hello, guys. This is Joanna from Refee Technology. Welcome to attend ISE 2025. We are Refee Technology, and we will show some new products with you. And you can see this one is 30.3-inch Android touch displays. Display or whether used for the desktop and the retail stores, and it also can be vertical and horizontal. Also, if you need to enter the system, you need to put the password, and yeah, you can show the different applications. Yeah, like this one. Yeah, also except 30.3-inch, we also have the 50.6-inch touch displays. That is for this one. For Tabletop, it's very stable on the tabletop, and also it with touch screens, also built in our same-as software inside it. So also another option is built-in rechargeable battery, can work about 10 hours for this one. Thank you. Our website is www.refeedigital.com.